Hapdeng ki jingeh bat ki jingtynjuh ki babun ban pynphriang ka jingnang jingstad ki khynnah haka thaiñ Nongpoh Nepali Secondary School mynta ka sngi Hapdeng ka jingkmen kala jam shu Mawmer ban rakhe ka jingïaid lynti basan pho Snem naduh bala ïaka ha Snem khat khandai spa Hynniewta lai ban longkum ka wei na ki Shillong hikai ya ka te ka jing rakhe dap san pho Snem ni ka Jubilee Ksiar lapan ha perdano mynta ka sngi pra Tarik Nohprah ndau menteri ketenat puli puthi ka Jylla R.A Sangma kumukongsan haka jingdanlang uba Mirror-Bonds MLA Nongpoh Manish Kumar Additional Deputy Commissioner Riew kakong P.L Nonglait DSEO kakong R.A Hynniewta Principal jongkateka School UCM Adhikari Senior Advocate Madave Singh President Managing Committee bat ki Riew Rangbah ki khynnah School bat ki kiba haka teka sngi penkut jongka jing rakhe dap san pho Snem jongka School na kaliang ki bor penyat kila yo ru ban pelat ka souvenir jongka School ban penken mau ka jingïaid lynti basan pho Snem bala penat pat ba ka da R.A Sangma menteri ketenat puli puthi bat kila yo ru ban penku buram mi Riew Rangbah kinong hikai baningkong ki khynnah School ba pas ningkong na kateka School kum kadak ka jing sngongu halor usenyang uben hei bakilan no bat don benta ha kateka School haba pai khendiat halor ka jingïaid lynti bat ka history jong kateka School la ïaka ha Snem khat khandai spa Hynniewta lai kat badang yat ki sngi bat ki Snem kateka School klanang san nang roi haka jingdon ki khynnah na wei Snem sho wei pan babalong ru kum ka wei ni ki Shillong puli ka bala penmi ru shibun ki samla bat ki khrau perkhat wat Hapdeng shibun ki jingeh bat ki jingtynjuh baki bor penyat School bat ki nong hikai ki mat tat hadu menta ka sngi bakum ka School karayo sendon ban rakhe yau Mawmer basan pho Snem ka jingïaid lynti.
Our Education Minister, Shri R.A Sangma, please clap your hands, everyone. And our guest of honor, Shri Mirror-Bonds and appreciation to our
the most successful leaders is not anybody who can do wonders in his time, but it is not. But the most successful leaders is the one who design, who produce the good successor of his own. Therefore today, this school, these institutions will be unsuccessful had our members, the founding member, had not produced the good successor behind them. Therefore today, my dear teachers, the present managing committee, and my dear students, the future of these institutions will be raised upon your shoulders. My young friends, including my students, remember, and those alumni here today, if I am not wrong, remember the future of these institutions, of your community, of our state, rests upon your soldier. Therefore, I always used to say, Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. The Bible says, how much you sow, that much you will receive. People always connect this Newton's third law of motion, this Bible verse. How much you sow, what you sow, you will receive. Therefore, our founding members has contributed to plan these beautiful schools, and the result is glorious. If I am not wrong, this school might have produced, might have engineer, the doctor, the teacher, the officers, and in a different position in a different society. Therefore today, my best wishes to continue to produce such human beings for the use for our society, for our state, for our people.
That everyone going strong. and still going. Standing ovation and clap your hands as our chief guest is releasing the souvenir of the Golden Jubilee celebration of Nongpoh Nepali Secondary School. One more time, clap your hands everyone, loud, it should be loud and clear.